Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Todoist for study and homework planning in a simple and effective way. First, let's understand what Todoist is. Todoist is a task management and productivity app that helps you organize your work, manage time and stay focused. It's perfect for students because it makes planning simple and stress-free. So first you need to open any of the Google web browser, and after that in the top type down todoist.com and enter it. And after you open to the Todoist on your laptop or browser, make sure to log into your account and over here select add task and create a project called study or school. Inside this project you can start adding your task, homework, description, assignments, exam preparation, revision. For each task you can add a due date right over here, and you can also put the reminders. For example, use recurring task for daily study routine like evening study or revision time. You can also use the priorities list right over here and label the study, exam or homework to organize your work better. Throughout the day check off the task as you complete them. Over here if you want to put any of the reminder you can do that as well, and you can select to this three dot icon here if you want to label, or if you want to label the deadline as well, you can do that as well. And Todoist helps students plan study and homework by organizing tasks, managing deadlines and building daily study habits. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to use Todoist for study and homework planning. If you have any trouble or query, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.